This video will show you how to set up the Pawfit 3 Pet Location and Activity Tracker. Upon receiving your Pawfit 3 tracker, open the packaging box and take out the main unit and all other accessories, including the collar strap, collar attachment, charging dock with USB charging cable, and quick start guide. Please contact Pawfit immediately if you are missing any of the accessories noted in this step. To charge your Pawfit 3, you will need a USB socket with a 5-volt output and a 0.5 to 2.1 amp current. Plug the regular USB end of the cable into the USB socket. When placing the device into the charging dock, make sure the notch positions of the tracker are aligned with the corresponding positions of the charging dock. Press the tracker into the charging dock until it is secure. When the tracker is securely placed in the charging dock, the LED light will turn red. It may take a few seconds for the red light to appear. If the tracker is placed in the wrong direction, it will not sit properly and will not charge. You may begin using the device once the red LED light turns green, indicating that the tracker is fully charged. A full charge typically takes less than 2.5 hours. Look, it's green now. After the device is fully charged, remove it from the charging dock by pressing the 2 orange side buttons and then press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. Upon release of the power button, you will hear, "Hi, welcome to Pawfit," and you will notice the green light come on. After the welcome message, the light will go out and the device will start searching to try to connect to a network. The Pawfit 3 requires a reliable 4G phone or Wi-Fi signal to be activated. You can check whether the device is connected to a network by pressing the power button. If the LED light flashes blue, it means that the device is connected to a network. If it flashes red, it means it is not yet connected. The average time for establishing a network connection is around 30 to 60 seconds. If it is not connected, please take the device to an open space, turn it off by pressing and holding the power button for 3 seconds, and turn it back on and try again. Now that the device is fully charged, powered on, and connected to a mobile network, you can now register your Pawfit account. To register your Pawfit 3 tracker, you'll first need to download the Pawfit app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once it is downloaded and installed, go ahead and open it. If you already have a Pawfit account, you can simply enter your email and password to sign in at the login screen, or you can sign in from your Facebook account or Apple ID. If you don't have a Pawfit account, just tap Sign Up to create one. Or if you forgot your password, tap Forgot Your Password. Next, we will talk about how to create a new Pawfit account. First, enter your name and a valid email address. To avoid an error, be careful not to include any extra spaces in your email address. After the address is submitted, you will receive an email with a verification code to the email address that you entered. Make sure to check your junk or spam mailboxes if you do not see it right away. Next, enter the verification code here on this sign-up page. After successful verification, you will be directed to set up an account password. Be sure to set the password according to the password rules, which you can find just below the Confirm button. You can enter your contact information here. While the contact information is optional to enter, it will be used as the source when setting your audio ID tag. By using the latest text-to-speech technology, the audio ID tag converts your name and your pet's name, along with the contact information that you entered, into an audio file, and then sends it to your Pawfit 3 tracker. With the audio ID tag set up successfully, if someone else picks up your tracker and presses the button, they will hear a message, which can include your name, address, and phone number. They will then be able to return your lost pet to you. The upload process is done in the background, and you can edit this audio ID later. You can also set your own avatar on this page by taking a photo now or selecting one from your photo album. Congratulations! Now that you have successfully created a Pawfit account, you can create a Pawfit profile for your pet and register it to your device. Please tap Register a Pet to proceed. If you do not have a device but are helping to take care of someone else's pets, please choose Look After Someone Else's Pet. Each Pawfit 3 tracker is associated with a specific pet profile in a Pawfit account. Before activating your Pawfit 3, you'll first need to create a profile for your pet. A pet profile includes some basic information about your pet, including your pet's name, weight, age, breed, and a target activity goal. You can even create a pet avatar. Now that the profile for your pet has been created, the next step is to activate and register your Pawfit 3. Before you get started, confirm that your device is turned on and is connected to a network, and that your phone's Bluetooth is also turned on. To activate your tracker and register it to your pet, the system will need the 8-character device ID, which you can find printed on the back of your device as well as at the bottom of the packaging box. Simply scan the QR code or enter it manually. Because the Pawfit tracker has an embedded SIM which is non-removable, a small subscription fee is required to cover the cost of the data. Once your device is recognized by the system, you will be prompted to the subscription plan page where you can choose your ideal plan based on your preferences. Pawfit offers 4 basic and premium plans. After choosing your plan, tap Buy Now to go to the checkout page and confirm your payment information. If all payment information is correct, tap the Check Out button. You can pay for your selected subscription by debit card, credit card, or with PayPal, and you will receive a confirmation notification once your payment has been processed. If you have a prepaid, gifted, or referral subscription code, enter it in the gift code box to activate the description. If you have an existing Pawfit subscription, you can transfer it to your new tracker by selecting your old tracker from the list. Please note, once a subscription is transferred, it cannot be transferred back to the original tracker. Congratulations! Your subscription has been activated successfully. Once the tracker has an active subscription, you will see the tracker status, including battery level and the 4G signal strength. Tap Next to move to the next step. However, if the device is not activated, you will get a message saying, "Failed to find an available network to activate your tracker." In this case, please take the tracker to an area where there is a more reliable mobile phone signal to continue the activation process. After the tracker has been activated, you can then personalize the settings for your device. The Pawfit 3 tracker uses Wi-Fi to improve battery life along with the indoor positioning experience. When you set up a home Wi-Fi, the tracker saves the Wi-Fi's location. Whenever the Wi-Fi network is detected, the tracker uses the saved location to provide location updates instead of using GPS to search for and send location updates. This saves battery power and will also improve location accuracy when you're indoors. You may set up to 7 Wi-Fi locations to cover areas you go to with your pet the most. When adding a home Wi-Fi, make sure that the device is within its coverage area and is connected to the network. The Safety Zone feature provides another level of protection for your pet, and you can set up to 10 safety zones. You will receive a notification whenever your pet crosses the border of any of your predefined zones. You can set a safety zone as either a circular or irregular rectangle shape. When creating and editing a safety zone, you can adjust the area size by moving the circle or the 4 corners over the map. Due to the accuracy limitation of some location tracking technologies, Pawfit recommends the area of a circular safety zone to be no less than 330 feet, or the length of each side of a rectangular zone to be no less than 660 feet to avoid false alarms. Congratulations! Your device has been fully set up and is ready to go on your pet. By this time, you should have received a notification in the app that the audio ID upload was successful. Simply press the button on the device to check whether the audio ID is correct and the LED light flashes blue. After confirming the audio ID is correct and the device is online, you can install it onto your pet's collar. Pawfit trackers can be attached to any collar or harness with a width of up to 1.2 inches. First, Place the collar in between the rubber collar strap and the collar attachment, and clip the collar strap onto the collar attachment. Make sure the rubber strap is fastened securely. Next, place the Pawfit 3 into the collar attachment and press until it clicks into place and is secure. If the device does not turn when you gently pull it, then it is ready to roam with your pet. To take the tracker off for charging, press the 2 orange side buttons on the tracker and pull it off the collar attachment base. Finally, if you want to turn the tracker off, just press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Upon release of the button, you should hear "Goodbye," and the LED light will go off to indicate the device has turned off successfully. We hope you enjoy your Pawfit 3 tracker. Thanks for watching.